I have been very fortunate to have good people in my life, and when you find good people, you gotta hold on to them real tight. Life is not so much what you accomplish as what you overcome. It's very important for us all to understand that we are interconnected and we need to hold hands together, especially when the going gets tough. If you feel like there is something out there that you are supposed to be doing, if you have passion for it, then stop wishing and just do it. If you don't like the road you are walking, start paving another one. The most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt with the heart. Life is a series of baby steps. Love yourself first, and everything else falls into line. Lead from the heart, not from head. Wherever life plants you, bloom with grace. Don't give it 5 minutes if you are not going to give it 5 years. What comes easy won't last long, and what lasts long won't come easy.